going to review the best Apple AirTag 4-pack, smart solution for tracking. Waterproof AirTag holder, 4-pack AirTag keychain, AirTag case for dog collar, luggage, keys, full body anti-scratch protective. Keep track of and find your items alongside friends and devices in the Find My app. A simple one-tap setup instantly connects AirTag with your iPhone or iPad. Play a sound on the built-in speaker to help find your things, or just ask Siri for help. Precision finding with ultra-wideband technology leads you right to your nearby AirTag, on select iPhone models. Find items further away with the help of hundreds of millions of Apple devices in the Find My network. Put AirTag into lost mode to be automatically notified when it's detected in the Find My network. All communication with the Find My network is anonymous and encrypted for privacy. Location data and history are never stored on AirTag. Also, this AirTag case comes with a fashionable metal carabiner is offered, so that you can easily hang the AirTags everywhere. You can attach an AirTag collar holder to a dog/cat pet collar, your car keyring, your bag, child's school bag, the valuables, and more. Brand Apple. Are batteries included? Yes. Color white. Thanks for watching the